Mangoes are more than just a delicious fruit. They're also packed with incredible health benefits. Here's why you should consider adding mangoes to your diet. Firstly, mangoes are rich in vitamins and minerals. They're a great source of vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and helps your body heal wounds. Mangoes also contain vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision. Secondly, mangoes are packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene and quercetin. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Additionally, mangoes are high in fiber, which aids digestion and helps prevent constipation. Eating mangoes regularly can promote a healthy digestive system and regular bowel movements. Moreover, mangoes may help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. They contain compounds like pectin and fiber that can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels in the blood.